Hi, so today I'm going to explore the Yichang Waterfall with my friend Dominik again. Let's go! It's surprisingly cool right here. I am in the full protection away from water in case I get wet. Let's go! Dominik has already crossed it, oh my god. Woo. Oh my god, people will rush in there. What's Dominik? Dominik has already crossed it. So many people. They're all crying. Right now, oh, so many people. They're saying it's so funny, oh my god. So many people. Woo. Be a warrior, go! Hi Dominik, do you know how much courage it took me to follow you here? Both of us are really wet. Cool. Bye.